Hello guys and happy Easter. Today I'm taking you all the way to Ghana. In fact, in the southern part of Ghana, this is one of our savory food. It's called Massa. It's very pretty easy to make, and you can eat this with honey, custard sugar or icing sugar. Sit back as I take you through the journey and I'll show you guys how I do it. You can also do it. Please let me know how it went. Don't go anywhere. Crispin got you covered and I'll be right back.
I'm drunk, you're not. Faded on another level, about to leave the spot. Ripping shit down off the walls in the party, but I'm in the back posted, so nobody really noticed live. I don't know how to act.
So guys, for our masa, we need only 4 or 5 ingredients. The first one is overnight soaked rice. You can use basmati or jasmine. They all will come out very good. And also, you will need cooked rice, very fine cooked rice. You will also need some sugar and salt for taste. And of course, you will need some yeast for the rising agent and also shallot for the flavoring. So guys, let me just take you through the ingredients again. We will need some overnight soaked rice, barely 24 hours, and some cooked rice, salt and sugar to taste, and of course your yeast and then your shallot for flavoring. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and then the new ones also, please do the same. And let's get it going.
I'm drunk, you're not. Faded on another level, about to leave the spot. Ripping shit down off the walls in the party, but I'm in the back posted, so nobody really noticed live. I don't know how to act.
So guys, the first thing you have to do is to blend the overnight soaked rice with the cooked rice, and also you add in the shallots to blend to a fine butter paste. Make sure your grains are fully and 100% powdery. If not, you will have some lumps in your masa when you are frying it in the pan. And the next thing you have to do is to pour in your yeast. Some people prefer to mix the yeast on a separate cup or bowl, then they pour it later. But I prefer to do this. At least that is how my mom taught me. Yeah, it's actually easier this way because everything is mixed up and blended. So yeah, all you have to do is that after blending, you just have to put it down, like pour in some water and then blend it and let it set for 4 to 6 hours, depending on your temperature at where you are living currently. I'm in Belgium now, so obviously the weather is a little bit cold, so it takes longer. Yeah, so 6 hours should be enough. Yeah, or even overnight. I know some people do it for 24 hours. That is if you want it to be real fermented. Yeah, I remember back in the days, my mom used to go to the market and buy me this all the time, every Wednesday in Ghana, Nima. I missed all those days. Anytime I go to Ghana, my mom still buys me this. Even at my current age, my mom still treats me like a baby. All right, guys, so as you can see, we just finished blending it and we just have to let it sit and ferment for 6 to 8 hours, even a day. Like I told you guys, it depends on where you are living. Here in Europe, it's a little bit cold. We're in the winter season now, so it will take longer. But if it was in Africa, like Ghana or a place like that, it would take like 6 hours to ferment. At this point, you add in your sugar and salt for taste. Now, I told you guys that the sugar and salt is your own, taste. I don't like too much sugar and I don't like too much salt, so I put in less because I'm still going to be eating this with custard sugar or icing sugar or maybe honey. So I don't want to be double sugar intake. And also, you have to check your sugar level. Remember, it's a savory food. It's more like a dessert, like a pastry. So you don't need too much calories in your body. Yeah. So you stir it thoroughly and then you use the cling film to just wrap it up and then put it in a warm place. Yep. Guys, after 6 hours, I came back to check my Massa butter paste, and this is how it looks. Yeah, after 6 hours, it looks like this. So now you have to give it a one more stir, and whilst you are stirring, please put your pan on the stove and put some little bit oil in it and heat it
in one place,
because your pan has to be really very hot. Yeah, as you can see, it's very thick and very fluffy. Yeah, and there are no grains in it. I really wanted the bigger holes. In Ghana we use the bigger holes, but I couldn't get this from, I actually bought this from AliExpress, so I actually got a refund. In fact, I got a half price, so I can't even complain. But so it just takes a lot of work, but if you have the bigger holes, it's very easy. And I use my olive oil to just, you know, grease the pan, you know, so my masa wouldn't be sticky. Yeah. Now guys, start pouring ASAP into your holes, and be careful, because if you don't take it to split all over, you know, so be very careful here. So you cook it for each side like 10 minutes, and then you turn it over like what I'm doing in the video. And you also use a skewer, like a kebab stick. Is always better than using like a flipper. Yeah, the kebab stick is always works better. So guys, this is my masa for you guys for this Easter. As you can see, I put a little bit of sugar on top. You can actually use honey or icing sugar. I prefer to use a little bit of sprinkling sugar on my masa. I really love this so much, and I'm happy to share this with you guys. If in case you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like it. Thank you, and bye.